Drew, you playing with your car? Hey, can I see your car? All right, here we go. You ready? What's going on with your cars?
You ready? Give them to Daddy.
Give me your car. Can I have the red car?
Give it to Daddy.
Can I have the red car? All right, Drew. Here it goes. Say go.
Give it to Daddy.
Can I have your car? Can I have your car?
We're reenacting Thelma and Louise.
You're crazy. Let me see your car. All right, here we go. Say go, car. All right, give me your car.
Say go, car. Go, car.
Here we go. Say go, car.
Whoa. Ready? Yay! Yay!
Are you having fun? Give me your car. Are you ready?
Uh-oh, Charlotte's gonna get hit.
Oh, here comes the car again. Say go, car. Go. Can I have your car? You ready? Say go. You got it quick, didn't you? Say go.
Yay!
Good job, buddy.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.